light it is outside. It's cold, but it's light. Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
I'm being provided with extra light for my intro. Hello, my fashionistas. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Amber Westbrook, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the simplest, easiest, no-sew nylon buckle belt that you have ever seen before. It's like that industrial type of belt that everyone's making these days. No sew, and you only need 3 things. I got a pack of 12 of all of these different nylon straps, which are actually really long. So I'm just gonna show you how to assemble it, and that's going to be the tutorial for today. Because as you can see, I'm lazy. I'm wearing a t-shirt, I'm sitting on the couch, there's lots of pillows behind me. And I just got off a long day of work, so this is what I got. Before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the little bell icon so you never miss one of my uploads. Without further ado, let's get started.
The buckle that I have, I already had in my collection, so it has 2 holes for sliders on one end and 1 hole for sliders on the other end, which is why I got this additional little slider so that I could keep it in the other end. But if you want to get this other kind of buckle from Amazon, which has 2 holes in both ends of the sliders, then you can just disregard the additional slider unless you like the way that it looks. I also got a 12 pack of these nylon straps so I can make it in pretty much any color that I want. But because these straps really love to fray and make a mess everywhere, I'm going to take a lighter and I'm just going to burn the edges of these before I start. And you can see by just doing a couple of passes over, it totally seals in the end and melts it together so that is not going anywhere. That'll stay for a very long time. Make sure that you wave it around in the air a bunch after you do it and that you don't touch it directly immediately after, because you will burn yourself, and trust me, getting burnt plastic on your fingers does not feel great. If you're not going to use the additional slider, then go ahead and skip this step, but if you are, go ahead and put your nylon strap up and then down through the slider, then put that same end of the strap down through the top of the buckle on the side that only has 1 opening. Then you're going to fold the strap back and you're going to feed that same end of the nylon back through the slider that you just had, going underneath that same exact section, pushing it back up and using it to push both of your layers back down through the other side of the slider. And that is 1/2 done. You can actually adjust this so your slider is closer, further away, you can add more sliders, anything you really want. This is totally up to you. For the other side of the belt, make sure that your nylon strap is not twisted in any way so that it doesn't get twisted as it goes around your body. And all you're going to do is put it up and then back down through the other side of the actual buckle, disregarding the slider so that you have a long train on one side. If you're going to disregard the extra slider and you're just using 1 buckle, this is how you're going to do both sides of your belt. Now this will create 2 long straps instead of 1, so if you want, on the opposite side of the buckle, you can actually go up and then down and fold it behind the rest of the belt so the extra nylon strap is hidden behind the belt. As you can see, I used a super long piece of nylon, so I have a ton of extra tail. The best way to do this is to try it on your body, decide where you want to chop it off, and then just cut it with some scissors and use your lighter again to finish off the ends. As you can see, I made a whole bunch of these. This is another one I made in blue. It's super easy and simple, and because it only took 2 minutes and I'm sitting on my couch doing literally nothing right now, it was so simple. So let me show you a couple of examples of what these look like when I'm actually wearing them.
And guys, you can make it as long or as short as you want. I mean, look at how easy that was. Seriously? Actually, hold on. I'm gonna cut this down and show you how easy it is. So, just gonna cut that. It's all frayed. Yeah, save this because you can actually make 2. I'm just gonna light this baby up. Make sure you let it dry because you don't want it to swing down and then hit your bare leg and then all of a sudden you're burned. Ow. And that is it, you guys. Look at how cute. For literally a couple bucks? Seriously? Oh, I love it. Also, do you recognize this top? This is the one that I made from my crop top tutorial. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you want more videos just like this from me, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the little bell. And until next time, my fabulous fashionistas, I love you, never stop smiling, and stay beautiful. Today we are making belts. I think I need to do better than that. Okay, let's take another take.